Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make ham and chicken macaroni salad. This classic dish is perfect for any gathering, offering a delightful blend of savory and sweet flavors. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready for a smooth cooking process. Get ready to create a truly memorable salad that everyone will love. Now let's get cooking. First, boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, then rinse it with cold water and let it cool completely. While that cools, dice 8 ounces of cooked ham and 8 ounces of cooked chicken into small, uniform cubes. Don't forget to finely dice 1 cup of crisp celery and 1/2 cup of sweet carrots for added crunch and color. These steps are crucial for the salad's texture. The heart of our salad is the creamy dressing. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of rich mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of sweet condensed milk for that perfect balance. Next, stir in 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1/2 cup of well-drained pineapple tidbits. Once the dressing is smooth, gently fold in your cooled macaroni, diced ham, chicken, celery, and carrots until everything is beautifully coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Almost there. Once everything is mixed, cover your delicious ham and chicken macaroni salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This crucial step allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika for a pop of color. This recipe yields approximately 8 generous servings, perfect for sharing with family and friends. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.